Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the Sunday edition. Well, it's actually the weekend edition. Saturday, Sunday, June the 22nd through June the 21st, 2024. It's today Sunday, and in this additional, I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain: the jigsaw Sudoku and this one, the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 877. Let me zoom this. 877. 5. 8775. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ones. 5 O's. 4 ones. Yeah, correction. 8 by 8, that means in a row or in a column, 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.